Because we have another controversial comment coming in. Now, as the row over the mosque in Himachal escalates, Union Minister Giriraj Singh has issued a big statement. Giriraj Singh has batted for NRC. Speaking to Times Now, Giriraj Singh says that why is Rahul Gandhi opposing NRC when a controversy like this is brewing in a state that is ruled by his own party, that is the Congress party. Listen in.
मंत्री ने आबादी पर भी विषय उठाया कि शिमला शहर में पहले 190 दुकानदार थे, फुटपाथ पे लाइसेंस दिया गया, 1900 कहां से आ गए। बांग्लादेशी, मैं जानता हूं बांग्लादेशी भी हैं, मैं कुछ को जानता हूं, उन्होंने वक्तव्य दिया है। बांग्लादेशी और रोहिंग्या हैं, इनको पहचान पत्र दिया जाए। मैं राहुल गांधी से पूछूंगा, राहुल गांधी, अब तो एनआरसी पर जब विषय उठता है तो आप चिल्लाते हो मुसलमानों के लिए, क्या अब तो सही मानोगे? अब एनआरसी बांग्लादेश रोहिंग्या घुसपैठियों को लेकर के जो विषय उठा है, ये केवल हिमाचल का विषय नहीं है। हिमाचल में तो एनआरसी होना ही चाहिए मंत्री के मुताबिक। मैं तो कहता हूं कि पूरे देश में एनआरसी होनी चाहिए।
Himachal mein NRC hona chahiye. That's the big push coming in from a union minister. Giriraj Singh is talking about the comments made by Congress ministers in Himachal with regards to the controversy around this mosque. A few leaders in the state have called the mosque illegal. A few other leaders have gone ahead and said that there is a presence of some elements, like Giriraj Singh says, that the minister says that they are Bangladeshis and they are Rohingyas. Mohit, the union minister talking about the controversy in Himachal is making a big push for NRC. What's the government stand?
Well, yes, in fact, the Union Minister Giriraj Singh, while speaking exclusively to Times Now, has spoken about that how, and he gave reference to the statement of Anirudh Singh, which he spoke in Assembly. And now Anirudh Singh yesterday made a remark that earlier there were only 100 to 200 licensee people who were there on footpath. They had their shops on footpath. Today they are around 2,000. So Anirudh Singh basically stated all these people who have come from the other states, specifically from the Muslim community, they should be given licenses. Now that reference is being used by Giriraj Singh, saying that what exactly Rahul Gandhi will say now. Isn't this a part of NRC? And he also made a big statement. He said that NRC is not just required in Himachal, but NRC is required pan-India. And hence, there should be an pan-India NRC. And now it's a big statement that has come in from a union minister. We have to wait and watch how will the opposition parties react to it, because we have seen that BJP has been talking about the NRC. Their several leaders have been talking about the NRC. But when it comes to the government of India's stand, they have not said anything specific about the timeline of the NRC, when exactly that would be done. But the opposition have been raising the questions on this. We have seen Rahul Gandhi raising questions on this. We have seen other opposition leaders raising questions on this. But now what Giriraj Singh says is that now Anirudh Singh has also made that reference. Anirudh Singh has also spoken about illegal immigrants. He has also spoken about that how the land of Waqf, land of the government was illegally occupied by the Waqf board. What exactly would be the stand of Rahul Gandhi on whole this controversy? And by saying that, he has also made a big push for and pan-India NRC. Back to you.
Okay, so let's once again listen into what Union Minister Giriraj Singh says, because by using the context of the controversy around this mosque in Sanjoli in Himachal Pradesh, the Union Minister cites the comments made by another Congress minister on the floor of the House and goes on to say that this is the time why there should be NRC and Rahul Gandhi should not be opposing NRC, looking at what's happening in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Let's listen into Giriraj Singh once again.
मंत्री ने आबादी पर भी विषय उठाया कि शिमला शहर में पहले 190 दुकानदार थे, फुटपाथ पे लाइसेंस दिया गया, 1900 कहां से आ गए। बांग्लादेशी, मैं जानता हूं बांग्लादेशी भी हैं, मैं कुछ को जानता हूं, उन्होंने वक्तव्य दिया है। बांग्लादेशी और रोहिंग्या हैं, इनको पहचान पत्र दिया जाए। मैं राहुल गांधी से पूछूंगा, राहुल गांधी, अब तो एनआरसी पर जब विषय उठता है तो आप चिल्लाते हो मुसलमानों के लिए, क्या अब तो सही मानोगे? अब एनआरसी बांग्लादेश रोहिंग्या घुसपैठियों को लेकर के जो विषय उठा है, ये केवल हिमाचल का विषय नहीं है। हिमाचल में तो एनआरसी होना ही चाहिए मंत्री के मुताबिक। मैं तो कहता हूं कि पूरे देश में एनआरसी होनी चाहिए।
Mohit, clearly this is an attempt by Giriraj Singh to put Rahul Gandhi in the dock. He is citing the statement made by a Congress minister on the issue of the illegal of the mosque and the protest that took place. The minister, he says, has stated that earlier there were about 100 shopkeepers. Do stay with us, Mohit, because we have Congress Party's Rashid Alvi joining us on the phone line. Good morning, Mr. Alvi. First of all, I'd like to take your opinion on what Giriraj Singh says. The union minister, while citing what your minister has said on the controversy around the mosque, says that there should be no reason to oppose the NRC now because ministers in the state of Himachal Pradesh itself have mentioned that the presence of illegal immigrants, of Bangladeshis and Rohingyas, and this led to an escalation in the row around the mosque. Your first response, sir.
Who has stopped him? He go ahead. He is cabinet minister. Why he is giving this statement? He should talk to the prime minister. He should consult Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar. Then go ahead. Why he is wasting time of youth, entire country? He is minister, cabinet minister. You should raise this question in the meeting of cabinet.
Okay.
You should put pressure on the government. You can't do it because you don't have majority without Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar. You can't do anything.
But in case there's a push for the NRC, Mr. Alvi, will the Congress party back it? Because now there is a minister, you are seeing what happened in Sanjauli, and there is a minister in the Congress itself, in the Himachal government, who has made an assertion, one, that there is a presence of illegal, individuals, illegal immigrants there, and then he goes on to say that he's aware of the presence of some, Bangladeshis and Rohingyas, as mentioned by Giriraj Singh.
As far as Rohingyas and Bangladeshis are concerned, with due respect, I want to ask, in a single time, our Prime Minister has talked to the government of Bangladesh? No, not at all. First of all, you have to talk to the government of Bangladesh. Your people are coming to our country. Take them back.
But Mr. Alvi, what is your take on what's happening in the state of Himachal Pradesh and the assertions made by the Congress minister?
Madam, listen to me. He may be wrong. It is not necessary that always any Congress leader is absolutely right.
Okay.
He may be wrong.
Okay.
But what I am saying, I remember once our Home Minister, not Amit Shah, he went to Bangladesh, and when this question was raised in the Bangladesh, why are you talking that illegal Bangladeshis are coming to India? Our Home Minister said, no, it is our internal problem.
Okay.
Please. So what is this? You are playing a game here in our country.
Okay. So, thank you, Mr. Rashid Alvi. So, the Congress's first response to the comment of Giriraj Singh, who is talking about the Himachal case and making a push for NRC, the Congress says, why doesn't the government go ahead with it? Why doesn't the government ask its own allies, that is Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar? The controversy is snowballing. Time for us to take a short commercial break here, viewers. We'll be back with more news and updates.